Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Book. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Book's keyboard isn't responding at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can arise due to a number of reasons, such as a connection problem with the keyboard itself or a failing component within the device. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications down the line. To proceed with the repair, you will need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard module specifically designed for the Surface Book. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic prying tool to open the device. Start at the corner of the Surface Book and gently work your way around the edges to release the clips without damaging the casing. Once opened, locate the keyboard component. It will be connected to the motherboard with a ribbon cable. Gently disconnect the ribbon cable using your tweezers. Ensure not to pull too hard to avoid damage to the socket. Now, remove any screws securing the keyboard in place, which are usually small Phillips screws. Take care not to strip the screws, applying just enough force. After removing the screws, you can carefully lift the keyboard out of its housing. Replace it with the new keyboard module, ensuring the ribbon cable is aligned properly before reconnecting it to the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have secured the new keyboard with screws, carefully close the device by aligning the edges and pressing down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Finally, power on your Surface Book and confirm that the keyboard is now functioning properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your Surface Book is kept in a clean and dry environment, avoid eating or drinking near the keyboard, and regularly check for updates to the device's software. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.